Hey everyone, this is Draven Edwards Productions, and today I am going to be doing another custom model showcase. So I know I know I still have my third Trackmaster Fiery Flynn when I still have my second Flynn. But now I have made it custom, and it's my very own custom fire truck. So, yes, this is my custom fire truck. And I know you're going to be saying, wait, why did you make this out of Flynn? Well, since I got my another Flynn for my birthday, I decided to give it a custom. I decided to make a custom. So what I did is I took the face off, and just let me get the face. It's just right there. It's right there, and two of these parts are just broken. So yeah, and if I really put it like this, his face falls off. So yeah, and I know this happens to you like that if an engine's face falls off. So I know you are going to be asking, wait, why did you get the face off of your custom? Well, for one, I did that, and two, I really had to put this thing out of paper. I colored it Crayola crayon of black and red, and tried to look just the same as the fire truck like this one in Roseburger, or whatever that thing was. But I know you could understand for that. Anyway, on the sides here, I covered the yellow stripes out of red marker and red paint. And even the side right here, I was just detailing it white, but I'm not even sure. And I know I haven't even detailed the wheels. I know I haven't even detailed the wheels, but I just really care about detailing everything. Just try to detail just like it was on the picture. So yeah. And the back is just nothing, of course. And then the side, I really painted that here. And I really covered the Sonar Search and Rescue Center on both sides out of and red paint and marker, because some of it are just about to appear. Yeah, I think you really get that there. So yeah, what did I do to my other fire hose car? If you're really wondering where I did it to it, here's your answer. Yeah, I just took it apart of the wheels, and then I put the new wheels onto the car that you see right there. So, yeah. So, other than that, it is a very good fire truck, custom. And it works like a charm. And also, some of that on the top were just a marker, so yeah. But I know it's hard to see on camera, so yeah. And I was just trying to do the same thing to this as possible, but there. Well, let's just say that I just got no work. But I think it's okay. I was just trying to keep it the way as possible, but it turns out I might have to just keep it that way. So yeah, and also the reason why I didn't even upload this Sunday just because I was at my nanny's house, and then after that, we had to go to a circus, which is a humble circus, and I did have a great time there. But however, I'm not gonna upload it because all the songs will get copyrighted of the law. So yeah. So I really see some incredible things of the circus, like a camel, like a camel and some dogs. They just stand up, which is cool. And then some of these weird clothes of their costumes I didn't even know. And I even see a motorcycle just doing some loops around and around. And it looks, I quite like the circus. It looks very amazing. So, yeah, so my rating on this, I think I'm giving it probably a 9 out of 10. I think it's just good and all. And also this was been glued on the piece of paper. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going ahead and give this a run in 3, 2, 1, go. Also, I'm still working progress of the Gordon and Spencer remake, as well as that scene over there. Okay, enough of that talking. Let's just do it in 3, 2, 1, go. Jump the point switch. That's how every single Flynn does. Just derailed. And this is what happens in every single engine comes off the rails of this builder bucket crossing. Looks like he's keep going and it derails. Rip. Jumped off the rails. Who needs rails? And now they just keep getting stuck under Nafford Station. Oh my god, now it's the same thing all over again. Dude. This is how long this Flynn was. And there was your run of this custom fire truck, which is this one. I don't even really know what that picture that I found is called. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this custom auto showcase on this thing. And if you do, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And also, during on eBay's website, I found a custom Mallard. Let me show you. You see what I mean? This is the custom Mallard that I see. And this will be perfect if I get it on eBay's website soon. Sometime after the Golden Thomas Gustavo, Raul, and Emerson, I am going to get the Mallard. It costs like $50, which is, I think it's almost like a good deal for free shipping. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and also I'm not sure if you could comment on the video while you still can for it. And blah, etc., etc., etc. The comments really just don't exist on video made for kids. So, yeah, I know I really had to go onto HunterTube's Discord server, if you really noticed. And I don't even really go into other Discord server channels, but I don't even really know. Okay, so as always, thank you guys for watching, and bye for now. And the next video would be the remake itself.